Song. Okay. The grass is always greener. The voice inside is meaner. The minutes you spend stealing yourself against your feelings. These are your minutes, your only spiraling minutes. And it can be downright scary that this time is arbitrary. It's the only time you have. It's enough to drive you mad. When you sit there still, closing your eyes until you can feel the tilt-a-whirl. That's the spinning of the world. That's the vacuum of space. That's where everything takes place. And that's just where you now sit, in the middle of all of it. And on the sidelines too, it is and isn't about you. I am like an elephant who doesn't know what he wants, who gets stuck in the marsh, and the voice inside is harsh. There's no supporting role. I try to make room in my skull, but the damn thing is full, so I'm left feeling unsatisfied.